Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing your workspace and importing images so you can edit without friction. Make sure your laptop has power or is plugged in, and close memory-heavy apps. This prevents slowdowns. Open your chosen editor, confirm updates, then import RAWs for maximum latitude or high-quality JPEG if storage is limited. Once imported, quickly tag or rate images to focus on the best shots. This first pass saves time later and gives structure to your editing session. Now refine each selected photo with a consistent workflow so results are predictable. Begin with crop and straighten to fix framing, then correct global exposure to set the overall mood. Adjust contrast and white balance to match intent. Tackle highlights and shadows to recover detail and use tone curves for subtle contrast control. Once done with global changes, switch to local tools, masks, brushes, and gradient filters to fix eyes, skies, or textures. Make sure to zoom in and review at 100% before moving on. Finish by exporting and archiving so your work is safe and usable. Use export presets for recurring needs, TIFF or maximum JPEG for prints, 2048 4096px for web, and include metadata if required. Archive masters to an external drive or cloud and export a web-optimized copy. If something goes wrong, like slow performance or crashes, clear the editor cache, enable lower-resolution proxies while editing, and increase virtual memory or scratch disk allocation. These steps prevent future issues and keep your workflow efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.